Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 153 different strategies, with 54 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We've also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says that this new advanced TradingView indicator gives buy and sell perfect entry trades. So of course we're going to put that to the test. Now, perfect entry trades, of course, seems to be making the claim that it is a perfect indicator with no loss, and we know that's not going to be the case. Obviously, every single indicator, every single strategy is eventually going to take some losing trades. So just want to get that out of the way first thing. So let's go ahead, and the first indicator we will put on the screen is going to be the quadratic weighted MACD right here. You'll add that to the screen and it will look kind of similar to this right here. Now we'll go into the settings and we'll just make a few changes to the appearance. And so under the histogram here, you're going to turn off the histogram. The MACD, you're going to go into the color 0 and turn the line weight up all the way. Color 0, you're going to turn the opacity all the way down. The signal line, you're going to go into the red color here, turn the line weight up all the way. Color, you're going to turn all the way down to 0. You go ahead and click OK. The rest of the settings just stay on the default. And so the next indicator you'll want to add to screen is going to be the corrected QWMA, this one right here. And so you'll add that to the screen and it will look like this right here. We won't make any changes to this. If anything, you can go in and you can bump up the line weight of some of these if you want to, but for the most part, everything, like I said, stays the same. The settings, the inputs all stay the same. You can just change some of the visual components to it if you like. And so what we're looking for is for the QWMA, so we'll just refer to it as the MA, just so that way it's a little bit easier. So when the MA line here, the MA indicator on top, this large line here, when it switches from green to red, we are looking for either buy or sell entries. And so when it switches to green, for example, we are then going to look down to the MACD, the QWMA MACD, and we are looking for it to be in the green position, like it is here. And so you can see here that we get the coloration switch just barely. It's kind of hard to see, but if I zoom in a little bit more, you can see that it's green right there. And if you look up here at the coordinates, you can see right there that it is green. So that's going to be the shift that we're looking for. And when that shift takes place on this line, the MACD also has to be green at that period in time. Can't be before or after. And so, or I guess I should say, when it switches here, you're not waiting, there's no delay in the MACD being the same color. So we want all those to line up at that exact point, that exact shift. So that's going to be our signal to go long. Stop rambling here, and we're going to put our stop right at the moving average line, and we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward. All right, so you see that we get close to hitting our take profit. We then pull back. We get close to our stop. We then roll and make this really nice push pretty much straight up right here, getting us to our take profit. All right, and so for a short trade, what we are looking for is that same shift in the coloration of the upper MA line. This one right here, you can see that we get the shift in color. Again, look at the coordinates right above the numbers, right above my cursor there. You can see when I hover over this bar, it is red, showing that that line is red. We're then going to look down to the MACD on the lower side here, and you can see that it is also red at that same point in time. It's going to be our signal to then go short. We're going to put our stop right at the line there, just like before. Target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, right about there. All right, let's go ahead and play this one forward. And done messed it all up right there. All right, let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. All right, so we get this wick right here that pulls up and gets really close to our take profit, but barely misses it before we then roll over and again make this really nice push pretty much straight down, getting us to our take profit once again. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 24 winning trades and 26 losing trades, putting it at a 48% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward on the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, you would have gained $14,400. On the losing side, you would have lost $10,400 for a total gain of $4,000 altogether. So not too bad of a strategy all in all, everything considered there. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy. During the same period of time, we did 48 trades altogether. We had 42 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting it at an 86% win rate. On the winning side, if you were looking to gain that same $600, you would have gained $25,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $4,680 for a total gain of $20,520. So significantly different profit on the Academy of Forex strategy. Now again, this strategy here is more of a trend following strategy, whereas the Academy of Forex strategy is more of a reversal strategy. So if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. So it's super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is tracking the signals using the Academy of Forex strategy on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. And so for the Forex pairs this week, we had 14 trades altogether. We had 12 winning trades and 2 losing trades. So that's going to put us at an 85% win rate. On the crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 2 winning trades, going to put us at 100% win rate. So on the Forex pairs, we would gain 4,440. On the crypto coin, we would gain 1,200 for a total gain of 5,640 for the week. And so add that to the 6-week total, we would have been at $19,720. And so again, a profitable, efficient trading strategy. You can see here as we are tracking these. If you're interested in watching the video on this, I do a video that I post for free on the free side of the Discord in the general channel every weekend, going over these particular signals and how the Academy of Forex indicator works and how it gave these signals. And so All right, that's it for this video here. So this strategy here, I'm going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list. I do feel like there is some validity behind this strategy. Obviously, give us an okay gain on profits there. So yeah, I'm going to put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.